Want to build something for the gardener in your life? There's something about a handmade gift. These hands can make you something, not like a sock puppet, which I would actually laugh really hard if I got a sock puppet. Number 1, build a potato box. I'm gonna bury them a little bit like that. I designed it so I'm just gonna take these levels off and then we'll just take the harvest. Number 2, which one is it? Let's make some strawberry hexagon planters. 15 fence pickets and you get this. Love it. So many uses for it. You could hang it on the wall and plant strawberries. Herbs is what I'm going to build one right outside the kitchen, back kitchen door. Number 3, what about, why not build a hexagon raised tomato garden bed with a cage around it? Look at our tomato basket. This is exactly what I envisioned. Hey guys, ooh, I'm going to eat you tonight for dinner. I'm going to name him Pico de Gallo. It is like a cornucopia of tomatoes. It's so fun to pick them. Number 4. I mean, if they like chickens, build them a chunnel.
Hey guys! Oh look, they love their chunnel.
We just finished some plans for this bad boy. The idea was we could just pick it up, move it to some fresh grass like that. The ladies love it. But number 4, self-watering raised garden bed. Why not build one of those for that gardener in your life? Merry Christmas. Like it because you can move it in different places. Look at this, right out on the patio. We got some rosemary, sage, and thyme. It's self-watering, so you just have to fill up the reservoir and it wicks the water. Very low maintenance. And put your hose in here, and then when it starts dripping, you know it's full, because I'm kind of a lazy gardener. Hey, I hope these projects are loved by your gardeners,
Because I love it.
as much as they were loved by my gardener.
I don't know, it's prettier, easier to work with, and yeah, I love it.